How to draw cubes in 2-point perspective. Let's start off by drawing a horizontal line in the center of your sheet. Make sure that this line is perpendicular to the edge of your sheet. So this line is your eye level, or you can say your horizon. So now we're going to mark 2 vanishing points on either side of the eye level. So this is vanishing point 1 and this is vanishing point 2. We're going to draw the first cube, which is at eye level. In 2-point perspective, an edge of the cube is visible to you. So we're going to draw in the edge. You have to make sure that this edge is perfectly perpendicular to the eye level. So I'm going to draw a vertical line and mark 2 points on either side. Now I'm going to connect this point to the vanishing points on either side. I'm going to draw the lines going to the vanishing point to be slightly lighter so that the cube that you've drawn is clearly visible. Okay. Now, since this edge is closest to you, it's going to be the longest, and the other 2 edges are going to be slightly shorter than this length. So I'm going to estimate it to be roughly, say, about here. And now this edge is going to be even smaller because it's closer to this vanishing point. So I'm going to mark it to be here. I'm going to use my scale and draw lines which are perfectly parallel to your line in the center. You can even line up the scale to the edge of your sheet just to cross-check that it's perfect. And this is how you draw the cube at eye level. So I'm just going to take a color pencil and just go over the edges for you so that it's nice and dark and visible. Okay, now since this cube is at eye level, you will not see the top or the bottom edge. Now we're going to place another cube which is above eye level. So we're going to follow the same steps. We are going to draw a vertical line which is exactly perpendicular to your eye level. Then we're going to connect both these points to your vanishing points on either side. It's the same steps that you have to follow as we did in the previous cube. Now once you've connected it to the vanishing points, we're going to roughly put in the other 2 edges of the cube. So let's say it's going to be over here and over here. They have to be shorter than this length. Then I'm going to put in parallel lines. You have to make sure they are absolutely straight and parallel to each other. Now since this cube is above eye level, which means it's located above you and you're looking up at it, so the bottom edge of this cube is going to be visible to you. So now to get the bottom edge, I'm going to connect these 2 points to the opposite vanishing point. Now this point is going to be connected to the vanishing point on the left, and this point here is going to be connected to the vanishing point on the right. So this is how you're going to get the bottom edge of your cube. So I'm just going to take a color pencil and go over the edges. You don't necessarily have to do this. I am just doing it to give you guys a better idea of of what it's gonna look like. And then this is the bottom edge that is going to be visible to you. So I'm going to color it in like roughly. Okay, so now we're going to draw a cube which is below eye level. You have to follow the exact same steps. Start off by drawing, let's draw it over here. Start off by drawing a vertical line which is perfectly perpendicular. I'm going to mark 2 points. Connect these 2 points to the vanishing points on either side. Okay. Now once you've done that, you're going to put in your parallel lines. Now again, this cube is closer to this vanishing point, so this distance is going to be smaller to make your lines perfectly parallel. Okay. Now, same as before, this point is connected to the vanishing point on the right. This point is connected to the vanishing point on the left. And since you are looking down at this cube, the top edge of this cube is going to be visible to you. So this cube is below eye level. So again, I'm just going to take color pencil and go over it. So in this video, I'm showing you how to draw 3 cubes, which is at, above and below. You can follow the same steps and add a few more cubes in here when you're practicing. Like you could add 1 above, 1 below. You just have to follow the exact same steps. Like it's so easy to do. Okay, so this is the top edge that is visible to you. So I'm just going to color it in. Okay. So this is how you draw cubes in 2-point perspective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.